Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. So first open the Cash App and go to the activity tab, that is the clock icon. Now find the transaction labeled pending. Tap the payment and look for a cancel payment button. If you see it, tap cancel and confirm it and the transaction will be stopped. Funds are returned instantly. Now, if you don't see the cancel button, the payment may have already processed. It could be under review and not eligible to cancel. In these cases, you'll likely need to request a refund from the recipient or contact Cash App support. So, contact the merchant directly to ask them not to process or refund the payment, or if the payment went through, escalate to Cash App support for helping recovering funds. But note that there is no guarantee. So in conclusion, if a Cash App payment is pending and shows a cancel button, tap it right away to stop it. If it's labeled waiting to complete, it will auto cancel in 24 hours. Otherwise, you will need to request a refund from the recipient or reach out to Cash App support. There's no guaranteed refund mechanism. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.